Okay guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. This is gonna be a really short video to get you down into the trenches on how to install your Raptor lights, and we're just gonna jump right into it. So a lot of you guys get Raptor lights or some sort of accessory lighting and wonder how to link them into your Tacoma. Our preferred way of linking them in is you install them, run your wiring over here, come around the back side, and you can actually come up through where your stock wiring is coming up through to bring your power wire from your auxiliary lights. And then what you're going to do is you're going to be looking for this fuse right here, the INJ. You're going to need an add fuse like this one. Okay, the bottom fuse is for the factory fuse, but the top one is from the draw that the auxiliary lights are going to get to power those up. And on this one we have a 15. Typically you can use a 5 or a 10 for smaller accessories. That goes in there. And then the grounding post you can just bring right here and ground it right there. He does have a switch system, so I think it's grounded somewhere where the switch system is and not on this peg, but this is the peg that we recommend grounding most of your stuff to. So that's the recommended way. The second way to do it is you can link it into your side lights, the side markers, so that they'll turn on in the evening like traditional side lights. And these ones, the black and white is your power, and then the green and colored, the colored wire is your power, the black and white is your ground. So that is our recommended way of installing Raptor lights or some sort of DRL accessory lights onto your Tacoma. Other common accessories are the Baja Designs S8 with the DRLs, or Diode Dynamics, their series with the DRL function in the back. We'll link them up the same way. So hopefully this is helpful. It gets you down into how to install them. If you can't get up through where your stock wiring harness comes up through, some people also put like a notch on the side with a Dremel to be able to snake that wire in. It just compromises a little bit of the waterproofing, but if you're not crossing any rivers, you should be all right. So hopefully this video helps. Like, subscribe. If you guys have any questions, drop them down in the comment section, and we will see you in the next video.